So today we will talk about a new chapter, that is compound interest. Okay. So this is we'll starting here compound interest. So the main terms used in the compound interest is, first of all, that is principal. Principal, that means the money borrowed by the borrower or money lent by the money lender. That is called the principal. So this is principal. We express this in P, okay, and this is actually the money lent by the money lender. Okay. Now second terms that is we used here, that is time, expressed as T. Okay, this is actually the duration in years, you can say, or sometime in months. We generally use in year. Okay, that is the duration here for which the money is borrowed, for which the money is borrowed. Okay. Third term here, that is rate of interest. It's denoted by R, and this is nothing but per 100 rupees how much interest is charged. That is called the rate of interest. I hope you all know about this in the simple interest. That is how it works. Okay, that is nothing but the per 100 rupees, the rate, the interest rate, you can say interest per 100 rupees. Okay. Now another term is I, and this is actually denoted by, this is actually interest denoted by I. Okay, that means the additional money being paid by the borrower to the lender for having used the lender money for time T. Right. Now this I is actually calculated by PRT divided by 100, nothing but called simple interest. Right. Now the sum of the A, this denoted, that is amount. Okay, that is amount is the sum of the money, sum of principal and interest. This is called amount. Now in compound interest, the interest always counted over the amount. Okay, that means here amount is equal to here P plus I, that is principal plus interest, right. Now this sum of the interest is always counted over the amount. Okay, that means sum of the principal and interest. In compound interest, it's counted over like this. Okay. Now one thing that you need to know here, that is what is compound interest, right. What is compound interest mean? That is for the principal P, principal here P. Okay, we already denoted that principal here P and rate of interest here R, and for 3 years I consider, for 3 years, rate of interest here R%. Okay, and the principal is P here. So here you can see that the main theme is here, that is 3 years. So in first year, interest is PRT by 100, right? Only simple interest here, PRT by 100. So T here is what? T here is actually 1, right? That means we will have PR by 100 rupees. Now this is nothing but I, right? Interest. So the amount is here, that is I plus P. So P plus PR by 100. You can take common here P. Here 1 plus R by 100, right? Now in the next year, that is second year, the interest is counted over this amount. That means here P equal to A. That means nothing but P into 1 plus R by 100, right? This is here P. Now interest I2 equal to, okay, here I name that is I1 and here I name I2. I2 equal to, again PRT by 100, the formula we will have used. So P 1 plus R by 100, this is P, this is actually the whole P, right? This is actually the P. Now our R, okay, we will use the capital R here, okay, R, time is 1 year and divide by 100. Now again the amount will be this whole, that is P, will count the amount here P equal to 1 plus R by 100 plus this whole, that is P into 1 plus R by 100 into R divided by 100, these all, okay. Now if we common here take, there is P into 1 plus R by 100, this will nothing but 1 plus R by 100 again. So in the second year we will have the interest P into 1 plus R by 100 square, right? In the third year, by the symmetry, we can say that P into 1 plus R by 100 to the power 3, right? That is the total amount. So if we start from the P, and in the by the 3 years, first year, second year, third year, after this, with the interest, of R%, capital R, okay, capital R%, it will be 1 plus, the amount have to be paid, the amount should be paid here, paid amount. This is nothing but P into 1 plus R by 100 to the power 3. So the generalized formula, if we have to find out, that is the amount required, amount is all amount after n years, okay, of the principal P in the time, sorry, time is already given, n years, with respect to the interest rate R% is nothing but P 1 plus R by 100 whole to the power n. So this is our actually the formula, that is the amount, okay. So, this is the main concept regarding the compound interest. Okay. Now, if we starting with your exercise, that is exercise 2.1. So, in the exercise 2.1, the first problem you will have, that is principal for the first year is actually given, that is 8,000 rupees. Okay. Okay. So, 8,000 rupees is actually the compound interest given. Now, 5% per annum the interest rate is given, and after 2 years you need to find this out. Okay. Now, you need to find that how much amount he actually invested. Right. So, P equal to, we will put here this one. Now, you can do one thing, that is step by step you can evaluate. That means 8,000 rupees for the first year you can first count, that is for the first year the interest is, interest is PRT by 100. So, 8,000 into R is given to you, that is 5, and the 1 year and 100. So, 0 0 0 0 will be cancelled out, it will be 4,000. Okay. So, the amount will be 8,400 rupees, right, and in the next year the P will be 8,400. So, the interest will be 8,400 into 5 into 1 divided by 100. So, these zeros will be cancelled out, we will get 420, right. So, the amount will be 8400 plus 420, that means nothing but 8820 rupees. This is the amount. So, that means the interest is actually nothing but 8820 minus this. So, you will have 820. Okay. This is the interest. Now, we can directly apply the formula also, that is P into 1 plus 5 by 100, right. In the place of P you just have to put that this one, right. So, 8,000 into, and this will be 105 divided by 100 into 105 divided by 100, because after 2 years, that means 2, right. So, now you need to evaluate. So, 10 will be cancelled out, here 10 and 10 will cancel out. So, 105 into 8, 105 into 8 into 10.5, and that you need to find out. So, you will get this one 8820. Okay. Now, if we subtract this one from 800, that is 8820, because you know this is the amount, right, this is denoted the amount here, this denoted the amount. So, amount equal to 8820. So, the interest equal to amount minus principal, right, that means 8820 minus this one. So, you can find 820 here from here. Okay. So, this is the thing, any of one of the method you can use. For the next problem, the principal is given to you, that is principal for the first year, that is given, that is 46895, and the rate of interest is given, R is given, that is 4%. For the interest for the first year, how much interest for the first year? Here, first year we need to find out, that is 46895 into 4 into 1 divided by 100. Okay. If you evaluate this one, you will get 1875. Okay. Just made the calculation here, you will get that. Okay. Now amount after 1 year, amount you need to add these two, so it will be 46895 plus 1875, and hence you will get 48750, right. Now interest in second year, interest is 48750 into 4 into 1 divide by 100. After evaluating, you will get 1950. Okay. Now the amount is 48750 plus 1950. So this will be nothing but 50700, and hence the actual answer here. Sorry, this is third year, na? So interest in the third year, again you need to find out, that is 50700 into 4 into 1 divide by 100. So it will nothing but these 0 will be cancelled out. 507 into 4, so 2028. This will be the interest for the third year, and hence this is the required answer, na? Yes, this is the required answer. Now I hope you will get that one. If not, then repeat the video once. Now solution number 3, that is principal for the first year, that is given 8000, rate of interest is also given 10% here. Now similarly, you need to find out the interest for the first year, interest for the amount for the first year, interest for the second year, amount for the second year, right. Now the compound interest, you can find it out. So I hope it will be easier for you. So this will be homework. The question number 7. Okay. So just do this kind of problem. This is quite easy things. So from the question number 6, we will see in the next session. Okay. So that's all for today. We will see some more problem in the next session. Stay tuned with me.